Welcome to Marshland Primary Academy, where we've decarbonised the school's heating system with a ground source heat pump system to secure a warm and comfortable learning environment for over 150 students. This school is located near Doncaster and is one of the more than 15 schools that we have decarbonised over our history. And this was a project that we delivered from May through to October 2024, doing much of the works in the summer holiday to minimise the disruption on the school, and as a project we delivered to time and to budget.
So behind me, we've drilled 18 boreholes to 127 metres each, where we take that low-grade temperature heat out of the ground. The heat comes through this area here where we've dug the tarmac up, and then it gets split to the two plant rooms. So now the heat is coming out of the ground into the plant room, where 4 ground source heat pumps here and one over there boost that heat, sends it into the school, into the distribution heating system, and that heat does the heating and the hot water for the whole school. But that isn't the only unique part of this project.
So we've got here behind me is PV thermal, and this is something that's really unique and innovative about what we've done here at Marshland Primary Academy. We've got some heat capture on the back of these panels, which then extracts heat, combines with the heat coming out of the boreholes into the plant room for the heat pump to then compress and deliver to the classrooms. That inlet temperature coming in from those PVT panels is generally going to be warmer than what's coming out of the boreholes, which means that your heat pump's COP, the efficiency, is going to go up, which means lower running costs.
So we've been working with Marshland for several years. They were an organisation that were eligible for SIF, so we've done various projects across their estate: roofing, windows, heating, refurbishments. This is the first low carbon project that we've done for them. The Condition Improvement Fund have started investing a lot more in that route. We hope that maintains. If we're going to be a net zero nation by 2050, ground source has to be at the front of that.
Work here at Marshland is just one step in many that we are taking to reduce our carbon footprint across the trust. We're really excited that we've been privileged enough to get the funding to do it here, and we're thrilled with the results.
Kenza have been really supportive, very discreet in the way that they've worked on site. They've gone out of their way to be helpful. Mark has always been on hand to talk to, and very professional at all times.
So the UK has over 30,000 schools, all of which need to be decarbonised, but done so in an affordable way. And that's exactly what ground source heat pump systems do. We think what's done here at Marshland can serve as a blueprint to many more schools across the UK.
I've learned probably that the pipes go underground, because people have been saying it 100 times. It would look a bit bad if it was outside on the playground. Oh, I'm not gonna lie.